All right, so this is a little review on the Fadify 2.0. It comes in this nice box. So we can pull it out, clippers itself out. It comes with the on and off button, plus or minus, depending on the speed, however you want it to cut. And it comes with a different settings size. So you just hit the black button and adjust the millimeter size, I guess. It comes with the angle clippers, or blades, I should say. It comes with another angle blades and another straight blade. Under this, you get the whole wiring harness and the charging port, I guess, box, and it comes with two clipper blades, 12 millimeter, 9 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and a 3 millimeter. Let's go try it out. All right, let's see. See if I take anything out. Take two. Did it again? Really? Try it. Well, let me get the camera. Cool.
No?
What?
Turn your head. Don't move your head. Wait for, yeah. Can you turn your head? There you go. Nice. Look here.
So I think it's better if somebody else does it.
Okay, let me go. How do I do the other side?
What do you mean?
This side.
Don't
Don't move
oh,
your
sure.
head. No, look this way.
Well, you fucked it up, or?
No!
What the fuck? So I ended up cutting my hair a little bit more short than what I wanted, but the fade came out somewhat decent. Right there. Yeah, I guess I gotta practice a little bit more, but I'll do it again. Make another video later. So thanks for watching.